Yesterday have been seen what actually meant by array, how you are going to define an array, then how you are going to declare the character array, then how the string can be defined for a single value, and how you are going to use the string arrays. We have seen each and everything with the syntax as well as example. Then moving with that one, we have studied more than 15 different types of functions like char, add, compare to, ignore case, concat, contains, equals, ignore case, index of, length, replace all, split, substring, to lowercase, to string, to uppercase, trim, and value of. So today we'll be going with the simple examples of them, and you're going to go with another two statements or classes called as string buffer and string builder if possible. Okay. So today we'll be going with the simple examples of actually the string length can be used. String length you are having with what here? You are defined with two different types of strings. One is s1 is equal to hello, string s2 is equal to WhatsApp. Then what you are going to do? System.out.println string length of s1 dot length is what, or you can directly write size also. There is no any problem. S1 dot size also can be defined the value, or length also can be defined directly the value. What it is going to display? HELLO 5 characters are there, so it will be displaying 5. Then within the next one you are going to have with s2 dot length. Then you're going to have with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different types of characters are present within the string. So S1 is having 5 characters and S2 is going to have 7 characters. So this is how you're going to execute with the string length. Then you're going to have another one example of compare to. Compare to means it will be checking for whether both the strings are equal, whether string 1 is greater than string 2 or a string 2 is greater than string 1 or lesser than. So you are going to have four different types of strings are defined, S1 to S4. S1 is having hello, S2 is having hello, S3 is having hello, and S4 is going to have with flag. So what it is going to do now? System.out.println S1 dot compare to S2. So S1 and S2 are compared, and you will be returned as both are equal, because S1 is also having hello and S2 is also going to have a hello, so it will return as true as an answer. Then system.out.println S1 compare to S3. S1 is having hello, H and H are same, E and E are same, L is lesser than M, because ASCII value of L and M are different, because before to the M you are going to have L, because K, L, M you are going to have, isn't right or not? So for that sake it will be returning as a false. So I have been defined here. -1 it will be returned, because L is only one item, one time lower than the M. So L is lesser than N. So S1 is lesser than S3. So it will be returning with a false statement. Then moving with the next statement, you are going to have system.out.println S1 is going to compare with S4. Hello is going to compare with flag. H is greater than or lesser than F. So H is greater than F, because A, B, C, D, E, F will come first, and then afterwards you are going to have H. So H is greater than F. So for that sake, what you are going to do here? 1 will be returned. So you are going to have with what? It is going to return. It will be returning as true statement, or 1 as a value. Okay. So this is how you are going to go for different types of values for compare to statement. Then we can go for concatenation. Concatenation, what you are going to have here? Public static void main within a bracket string s1 is equal to hello. S1 is equal to S1 dot concatenate how are you. So how are you will be appended to S1. So system.out.println it will be displayed with hello, how are you. So this is going to combine two strings. S1's last character will be appended with the first character of the string whatever you have been given within the function called as concat. Concat is going to combine two different types of strings at one string, and it will be stored within S1 itself, because you have said S1 is equal to, so it will be stored over there. Then moving with the next statement, we will be going with s1 is equal to empty, you are checking with is empty whether the string is empty or not, or whether your declared string defined value is empty or not. String s2 is equal to hello. So system.out.println within a bracket s1 dot is empty. Yes, 100%, because s1 is having nothing. So you are not given any string to that one. So it will be defined with s1 dot is empty. It will be returning with true because it is not having any string values. s2 is equal to hello you are having. s2 dot is hello. Yes, it will be returning false because it is having a value within itself. So you can call this one as what? An false statement. So this is how you are going to go for execution of is empty. Then we will be moving with the next statement, that is trim. Trim means already I said white spaces will be removed off from the given string. Okay, so system s1 is equal to hello, system.out.println how are you, s1 plus how are you are going to have here. s1 plus how are you, it is going to be without trimming because you are not used any function here. So it will be displayed with backspace and as well as forward space. So hello how are you will be displayed for you, but in between how are you and hello there is a lot of space between that, and hello before to that one also you are going to have many spaces. So to remove that one you are going to use with system.out.println s1 dot trim. s1 will be trimmed means the white spaces will be removed and you are going to add a statement called as how are you. So it will be displaying with trimming. Trimming means white spaces or empty spaces what you are going to have within s1 will be removed off, then afterwards you are going to add the how are you. So these are the different types of functions, and other functions also you can execute like this way itself. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the different types of functions within the string and the string declarations. Then we'll be going with the next one, that is string buffer class. It is a part or extended part of your string. So what he is going to say, string buffer is a peer class of string. While a string creates a fixed length, string buffer creates a flexible length that can be modified in terms of both length and content. Strings gives a fixed length. How array is going to give fixed length? No, like that way string is also going to give fixed length. But here string buffer class you can extend arc strings like a vector. Vector how you are going to do? No, it is a dynamic. Like that way string buffer class is going to be acting like a dynamic way in which it is going to be modifiable, and it is also called as mutable. Mutable means modifying. Okay, there are three different types of constructors. Sending empty capacity which is going to accept with 16 bits of values, and sending a string value which is going to have a specified string, and int capacity means what is the specified length will be there, that much of length will be accepted. So these are the three different types of constructors. String buffer class name or a method name or a class which is going to accept with empty means opening and closing brace creates an string empty string buffer with the initial capacity of 60. If you are not going to define, then 100% will be accepting with the initial capacity of 16 bits. String buffer of string str creates a string buffer with a specified string. Whatever the string you are going to give, that value will be defined with the string buffer class as a value. So string buffer of int capacity, what it is going to write? It is going to create an empty string buffer with the specified length as specified capacity as length. Means initial value it will be 16. If you are going to define 30 means ultimately that capacity will be converted by 14 digits and 14 bits more, and it will be accepted with 30. But string buffer will be empty means you can add the information afterwards of 30 characters or lesser than 30 characters or more than 30 characters. How you will be having a methods here. Different methods you are going to have. Set character at n comma x modifies the nth character to x. Whatever the nth character you are going to give within a string, it will be modified with whatever the x value you are going to give. Means nth character is s, j, p, n is there. S, j are capital and p is small. So I can replace that second position of string can be converted to capital letters, means it can be given. X will be the p value. s1 dot append string. appends the strings contents of S2 to S1 at the end. So it is like same of concatenate of your string. S1 dot insert of n comma S2 string inserts the string S2 at the position of string S1. Means whatever the value wanted to enter at the nth position of a first string, the S2 will be adjusted or added. S1 dot set length of n. It is going to have three values here. One sets the length of the string S1 to n if nothing is there. If n is lesser than S1 dot length, S1 is truncated. For example, you think like that way. Now again given as BCA college. BCA college of length will be 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 characters will be there. Of 10 characters, if you have been given as 10, no problem. S1 will be accepted with the string value. N character is same. Length will be set as 10 only. But when if string length is more and n value is less, you are again given as 7. So S1 will be truncated. For example, BCA COLLE. So it is going to have with 7 characters. So truncating means deleting or removing some of the characters from the existing characters. Then afterwards, n if it is greater than S1 dot length, zeros will be added to the S1. For example, if you have been given 20 as n length, and what it is going to have now, if you are going to give 20 as n length and n 20 is greater than 10, so ultimately what it is going to do, after the 10th character, that is E, 0 will be added. What you can understand from this one? You want to understand that growing and shrinking can be done by using with your string buffer class. So these are the different types of methods you are going to have within a string buffer class. What you can understand from this particular thing now here? Here, string is going to be a fixed length. When you wanted to have a flexible length or a variable length, you can use with string buffer class. So I want to have a simple examples over here. You can check out with them. So what are you going to have here? First, you're going to have a append method. Append method, how it is going to be? String buffer SB is equal to, it is going to create an object of hello. Hello will be stored in SB. SB dot append Java. Now, original string will be changed because hello is accepted at the creation of an object. Then afterwards, you are going to append Java. It means hello Java will be displayed for you. What you want to have in a part. String buffer replace method. This is also a part of your function, which is going to replace the number of characters here. So what it is going to do? So it is going to define like this way. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer hello. Then SB dot replace from the first character to next 3 letters. From the first character to the next 3 letters means string will be accepted with 0. E will be replaced with J. Next 3 characters will be there. What are those 3 characters? 1, 2, 3. ELL. ELL will be defined and you are going to have with H Java LO. You are going to have the value. So this is how you are going to replace the informations. Then you are going to have a insertion. Insertion means at the first character I wanted to insert. Replace means you are going to delete it. You are going to suppress it or overwrite. But insert means the same value will be there, but you are going to insert at the middle of the or at the end of the, wherever you want, you can insert the information. So SB is having with hello, then SB dot insert at the first position Java. First position you are going to have with E here. At that position you are going to insert the Java. H Java ELLO. So you are going to have like this way. So this is nothing but called as what? Insertion. If I wanted to delete the characters, the number of characters 1, 2, 3. So it will be deleting EL. Directly it is going to be deleted. So this is how we are going to define with the delete operation. So this is all about the string buffer class. You have seen string methods, examples of a string. Then moving with the string buffer class, constructors of string, methods of string, and examples of a string buffer class. String is fixed length. String buffer is flexible or variable length you can have. We shall go for the last concept of your string, that is string builder. What it is going to do? It is also a mutable. It is also used for modifying the string, or it can be shrinked, or it can be grown. But according to string builder class as same as string buffer class, except that it is non synchronized, it is not going to synchronize. How the string buffer class will be synchronizing, this will be not going to synchronize. Same string builder classes, whatever the buffer class is going to do, the same thing you are going to do here, and the same different types of methods you are going to have here. You can check with the simple examples on them. You execute it, then you can get the easiest way of going with. Both the things are same, but only the synchronization is not done. Synchronization means mutually understanding. Having a two strings, having understanding between two different types of values, if you want to do, then it will be done in a string buffer class. Otherwise it is not going to be synchronized in your string builder class, that is called as string builder. And you want to have the differences between them, check out with them. And this is all about the second unit, and I am going to complete the second unit here itself. Rest other things we will discuss in next coming classes. And today by afternoon I will be sending the concepts as assignment number second unit information of 2 marks, 5 marks and 10 marks. And every time be happy, learn everything with a good sense, and go for each and everything, understand the concept, learn the parts, write the assignments, write the notes books, study well, enjoy the things. Each and everything is going to be done when you are going to accept each and everything as a happiest way. Okay, so by saying these words, today afternoon I will be sending the second unit assignment by 3 o'clock within the WhatsApp group, as well as within the TechMeet group. I am going to send the informations to you. Thank you very much.